Hello guys, this is my first time ever doing one of these.
We're gonna play some Sandbox. Sorry if it sounds a bit rough. And this is my first time ever doing one of these, so you guys will be seeing it front row with me too. Front row seats, I mean. This is the finished product. I think it's pretty good. These are other ones I did. I did this one. Pretty cool. Then I did this one. These little yellow squares on the building, they were hard to do. And then we have this one, which is one of my wallpapers. And then we have, wait, gotta get back in the Sandbox. Thinking about doing some other ones, but I don't know. Like some other hard ones, is what I mean. That one will be for my own time. How about this one? And comment down below on what games you would like me to play that don't cost money and don't need to really cost money, because that you will not get in this channel. But I will definitely play the games, so maybe I could get it on my iPhone, this app, and then I could do some Fortnite if you guys want. So yeah, just tell me what you guys would like to see. And if I could get it on my computer. And then you guys could see my computer gameplay. But I will warn you, if you do ask for Fortnite, I'm not gonna be the best at it. I'm just gonna be a regular Fortnite player that's a noob. Really. Not too many colors, so once I finish this one, I think it will be over for today and I'll post this video. So, because I have to go to school. And this channel is family friendly. Doesn't have any swearing in it. If you're new, just know. And I also will be doing game reviews, which I'll just download a game and tell you how if I like them. So that will be fun. Here's the finished product. Oh. Let's see what this turtle is. See if it's too much. There's a watermelon. There's a bunch. I'm not doing them because they're hard. I'm skipping them because they're hard. No, they're just long. Sorry. I'm just skipping them because they're long, so I can't really do long ones right now. So, oh my gosh, my nose. I could also do like anything with games that don't cost money, really. I could watch videos. You won't have any face cam because using an app, but well, I might tool around with it. Could do video reviews or watch videos for you guys and give you my like overall review, kind of like. So yeah, that's that. So if you want me to do this stuff, I can definitely do that. So whatever the viewers want. So type down below. And what I mean by like money, I can't buy stuff in the game. I could get the games, but not in like buy stuff. Well, this is the finished product of the turtle daughter. Ugh.
I can't do any of the, gosh dang, man. I can't do any, like, Call of Duty or anything like that, because I can't. Very cool. Call of Duty. Yeah. See a game here that you like, I could play it.
Let me see if I can find it. Wait, did I pass it? I think I did. Yeah, this is the one I colored that you guys saw. Yeah, that's the one. So, well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for watching. Gosh, I can't stop yawning. And I will see you all next time. Bye.